Here be the truck, y'all. It is in the yard. Looks pretty darn nice. It is pretty. Gonna have a tour of the truck. Either film today or a different day, probably a different day. But there's gonna be plenty of videos going over this truck. So don't y'all worry, I got y'all covered. Gonna be plenty of time going over this. I gotta work on some settings. Gonna work on the mirrors going in when the truck is closed. Might actually do it. Nope, the truck does not have the mirrors go in while it is locked. So I'm gonna go in right now and change that setting. But one thing that's great is the running board. I love that. So I'm gonna get to it and I'll keep y'all posted in future videos. Hope y'all enjoyed.